These unknown laws of money are a timeless and universal set of guidelines that will help you to create wealth. Live life with freedom and abundance. There are many laws, however, I will highlight 5 in this video that are important to mastering money. 1. Money is just a form of energy. The money that we carry is a form of energy. It has been given its value by the consensus that money has value. Or in other words, money's value is determined by our perceptions. We have laws of physics to tell us what a particular object will weigh without money and when money is involved. In the same way, it would be worth looking at how money behaves without our perception of it as a thing. Take away all money from an economy for just one day, and you'll see that nothing much would change. People would still buy things, trade things, and generally get on with their lives. Money is not required because people will always give something in return for something else. So money is simply a form of energy that has been given value by our perceptions. Money's true nature is that it is just an expression of energy. 2. You attract what you think about, so don't focus on the lack of money you have, but instead, focus on the abundance of money already in your life. This comes in many forms. For example, your money in the bank or money that you earn from your job. By focusing on money is an abundant thing. Instead of money being a scarce thing, money will flow to you easier and faster than focusing on money being scarce. If money is something you think about often, then this brings more opportunities for money to come into your life, such as jobs, business deals, or other people offering you money in another way. 3. Acknowledge your money worries and fears, but don't dwell on them. Money worries will only make money more scarce, and money fears will only hinder money from coming to you. Rethink your money beliefs, as these are the things that make money valuable to us. When money comes into your life, appreciate it and thank it for giving you another opportunity. When money comes to you, don't take it for granted and be thankful that money is in your life. See where money is coming into your life from and then put some of this money back out there again so that more money can come to you. If you have a job or business, then what percentage of your earnings do you spend on needs versus wants? 4. Let go of any negative feelings that are holding you back from having more money in your life. Money is a neutral thing that we believe to be good or bad. Money can be looked upon as neither a positive nor negative thing. If you want money, then money will come into your life when money is needed. And money flows to us, so we have no need to worry about not having enough money. If you are worried about money, this will take up valuable brain power that you could use in other more productive ways. 5. Spend time with people who have similar values to yours regarding money and money flow. The money habits you have will create the paths that money will follow. If your friends are people who like to haggle and try to find a lower price on everything, then this is what money will do. Money doesn't make any decisions on its own, so money follows our lead. If we want money in our lives, then we must become friends with other people who value money in the same way as we do. Being around people who don't value money or who treat money like water flowing through their hands may only delude you. If you feel tense about having more success with money or making more money, then what end of the financial spectrum would you be comfortable with money on? Would you want money to pay your bills only, or would you like money for more pleasurable things too, such as holidays and spending money? If money is something that you are concerned about, then what do you worry the money will make difficult in your life? Money doesn't bring any challenges into our lives if we don't let it. Money can be used to make a positive difference in the world. By helping people who need help and giving money back out of appreciation, we prove that we care about money and respect money's abilities. This makes money grateful that it has the opportunity to give us a positive return on our investment.